Imagine you are sitting in front of a brand new drafting table. In AutoCAD, that table is the drawing area. Your toolbox is the ribbon at the top. Your ruler and guide are the status bar at the bottom. And your assistant who listens to instructions is the command line. In the next few minutes, I will show you each part of the AutoCAD 2020 screen and what it is used for. By the end, you'll be able to open AutoCAD and start your drawing. Let's get started. AutoCAD environment have several important areas. The top left corner lies the application menu. In application menu, you can create new drawing, open new drawing, open existing drawing, save as, import, export, publish, print, drawing utilities, and close. Then we have quick access toolbar. This toolbar provides quick access to commonly used commands such as new, open, save as, open from web and mobile, save to web and mobile, plot, undo, redo, batch plot, layer, match properties, and so many panels. It saves time because you do not need to search through the ribbon. Then we have the ribbon. The whole of this area is the ribbon. It contains the main AutoCAD tools. It is organized into tabs. Example, we have home. Under home, we have lines, polyline, circles, arc, this hatch, these move tools, rotate, trim, copy, stretch, mirror, scale, rectangular array, fillet, text, dimensions, layers, match properties. We have so many. So next we have the drawing area. This is the large central area where you make your drawings. You can draw lines, cycles, rectangles, floor plans, roads, buildings, and a lot of drawings. Next we have the command line. The command line is one of the most important part of AutoCAD environment. It allows you to type commands, enter measurement, follow instructions, see AutoCAD options, questions, and messages. Next we have the status bar, which is located at the bottom of the AutoCAD environment. It contains important tools such as we have displaying drawing grid, snap mode, auto mode, we have polar tracking, we have ISO draft, we have object snap tracking, object snap, we have annotation object, art scales, annotation scales of the current view, setting, workspace setting, annotation monitor, current drawing unit, decimal, and so many. So this you can add and omit. We also have UCS icon. It shows the direction of the coordinate system. It usually displays X and Y axis. In 3D drawings, it also shows the Z axis. The last but not the least, we have the navigation toolbar. We have the wheel, we have a pan, we have zoom, extend. Remember, drawing area is to create drawing. Ribbon is for tools, command line to communicate, and status bar for accuracy. If you find this video interesting, and if you are watching from TikTok, hit the follow button. If you are watching from the YouTube channel, subscribe, because next video we will actually draw our first line, circle, and rectangle together. Drop a comment with what tool you are most excited to learn. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.